Another way to go is the way ThreatSTOP does it, where ThreatSTOP basically has this big database, and we take in threat intelligence from a lot of different sources: Farsight, Department of Homeland Security, Falcon, from CrowdStrike. We have a huge library of this. And then the customer, you as the customer, come along and you take a look at our web menu and you say, okay, either give me the best you can with the equipment I have, or you can customize it. But in any case, all you have to do is tell us where your servers are, what kind they are, and we customize the feeds, and the feeds go out through the bottom of the database via DNS updates. So it's basically the library in the sky. You come in once and put your order on the menu, and it's constantly updated after that. So the way this works graphically here is that the blue arrows are from the ThreatSTOP database that are coming down, being deployed in the DNS servers, firewalls, and routers. And you might say, well, wait a second, what do firewalls and routers have to do with protected DNS? They don't, but we do offer an integration with a IP-based filtering, which gives you the ultimate protection. At any rate, so we're deploying it. The traffic's coming in. We've basically told you which parts of those traffic are red, and you just drop them. You can drop them in the router, you can drop them in the firewall, or in the case of DNS, you're dropping it by just not downloading it at all. You might be wondering what's going on in the laptop in the coffee shop. Well, the answer is that you can either have DNS deployed in the cloud there and use our cloud service, or you can actually deploy a DNS server in your laptop, which after all is more powerful than the original root servers of the internet.